Welcome to Gadgets Gadder, a knowledge-sharing blog where we're serving you all the latest and greatest tips and tricks on your most favorite gadgets. Today, I'm going to talk about best free trusted VPN services for 2020. If you search on Google for free VPN PC or free VPN for Android or iOS, then there are lots of VPN available there. I'm not sure how effective they are, but there are a lot of chances they can selling your user data. A few years back it was revealed that 84% of free VPN server listed in Google Play Store leaked user data, while the rest have malware in them, and it makes a lot of sense. Why would a VPN company give you something for free while they have to pay for the server? Right? So the question has to be raised, are free VPNs worth the risk? Well, not in my opinion. With a reputable VPN with a direct business model. That being said, there are still good free VPNs out there that you can try. So, let's check them all. 1. Opera Browser with VPN. For those who remember, Opera used to have a VPN app which they removed last year and now recently replaced it with a browser that contains VPN. In Opera Browser with VPN, open the private browser and there you can see VPN. Now everything that you search in Opera Browser built-in VPN will help you that VPN access. You can use Opera Browser with VPN for PC, Opera Browser with VPN for Android, or Opera Browser with VPN for Mac. But one thing you should be reminded that is its name, Opera Browser with VPN. That means that VPN service just for that Opera Browser. So, Opera Browser VPN not working for any other apps. If you looking for a system-wide VPN, then go with our next VPN. 2. Proton VPN. Proton VPN is made by the same CERN and MIT team that was responsible for creating the secure email service ProtonMail. So once you download the VPN client, turn it on, and then all your internet traffic will be rerouted through countries such as Iceland. The coolness about Proton VPN is that it offers unlimited free VPN with a speed limit. If you are looking for a VPN with Netflix, then Proton VPN will be a good option for you, because Proton VPN is one of those kinds of VPN for watching Netflix. They have a premium option that offers better speeds, and plan is starting only $4. If you are looking for a VPN that not only gives you privacy but also is fast, then the next option will be the best option for you. 3. Cloudflare DNS. Cloudflare DNS isn't like other VPN apps. Instead, it's a DNS service, but it works the same way. So just download the app and tap on connecting, and it will list DNS queries with that of Cloudflare, that is 1.1.1.1. Now your ISP won't be able to see what you are browsing, and it will also bypass country censorship. 4. VPN Hub. VPN Hub gives you unlimited free access to the USA server, and there is no bandwidth limit, data or time allocation. But if you want more servers of better speeds, you can upgrade to the premium plan. Apart from that, there might be some ads on the free version. For iPhone user, you can use Blub for iPhone. 5. Winescribe VPN. One of the best thing about Winescribe VPN is it gives you 10 GBs of data even on a free account. Not only that, the app interface is very simple to use, and you just need to choose the location and tap on it. You can use this data across Android, Windows. Apart from that, if you upgrade your plan, then you will get unlimited location and unlimited bandwidth. In free services, you can connect 11 free country servers also. 6. Turbo VPN. Turbo VPN unlimited free VPN servers help you to connect many countries' servers for free, like Singapore, USA. If you want faster servers, then you can use their premium option, and you also can use it for Netflix. How to create your own VPN. You can create your own VPN, you just have to spend your money though. So, if you want to create your own VPN server, you just need to rent a server. For this, you can use web hosts like DigitalOcean, Culture, VULTR. Simply create an account, then choose a location of the server like the USA, and then the key is to run the OpenVPN on the server, which will configure everything for you. Then choose a package and deploy the server. It will take a few minutes for the server to start, but once it does, it will give you a username and password. Then type this username and password to any OpenVPN client like your Android, and then click on connect, and then you will be connected with your own VPN. You can make more country servers as much as you want and delete them when you want. Conclusion. So, these are some VPN apps which I trust. Now you can browse any type of content with these free VPN services. Some VPN service providers track your data and sell them to the advertisers, or if not, the connection speed will vary low. But these are some very trusted VPN I'm using for years. The network speed is very decent as it's completely free. But you can get even more speed if you subscribe to their premium plans. So, hope you found a good VPN as per your need. Now enjoy contents without any worry. Head over to gadgetsgader.com for more awesome content. Thank you for listening.